Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the physical connection and permissions. Plug a data-capable USB cable into your phone and laptop because charge-only cables won't carry network traffic. On the phone, make sure mobile data or the hotspot is enabled so the phone can share internet. If the phone asks for USB mode, choose data transfer or tethering. Once done, grant any permission prompts on both devices. Doing these steps first prevents connection failures and speeds up the remaining setup. Now you enable tethering in software. On Android, open Settings, then Network and Internet or Connections, and find Hotspot and Tethering. On some phones, it's Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. With the USB cable attached, tap USB tethering to turn it on. Your computer should detect a new Ethernet or network adapter. Make sure it's allowed in firewall settings. If using a laptop, check the network icon for connectivity. These steps link the phone's cellular interface to your computer through the USB network driver. Finish by verifying the connection and addressing common failures. On your computer, confirm a new network adapter appears and that web pages load. If not, toggle USB tethering off and on, replug the cable, or reboot phone and PC because drivers sometimes fail to initialize. Make sure the PC has required USB network drivers. Install or update them if needed. If prompts about USB debugging or permissions appear, enable them temporarily to resolve handshake issues. This ensures a stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.